So it's time to put a new motor in this GQ. So it's looking pretty sad at the moment. Managed to get a motor off my mate who's doing a Barra conversion in his GU wagon. So what I've picked up is this, another silver top, but TD42. It's got 18G turbo, upgraded clutch, and a 12mm JP pump. So should do alright. So it's 12mm pump, big turbo in this GQ. It's already running a Dirks water pump and a quick as fan to keep it nice and cool. And I'll be chucking on this AECO weld-on cast plenum. It's going to be going in, as well as a front mount intercooler. I was going to do a ZD30 conversion, but it was actually going to be pretty hard since ZD30 was going to do a common rail. Everything's electronic, so just pretty much do a common rail conversion. You might as well do something like a Barra or LS, because electrics will be exactly the same. But my mate was selling this motor, so I just picked it up off him. And just while the motor's on the trailer and things are easy to get to, I'm just gonna wind in the EGT gauge into the back there, and this water temperature probe, which will go, I think it will replace that one. And they'll link up to these gauges. So it's got them gauges as a kit off Roadrunner. They seem cheap, but I don't think Roadrunner would sell crap, so we'll see how they go. So I got this motor ready to go into the car. What we did to it was I had to, installed water temp sensor, installed EGT gauge. I had to put in the tacho sensor off my old motor because the plug's different. Took the inlet manifold off so we can put the bigger plenum on. Put these brackets on that weren't on there before, took them off the old motor and had to swap that wire over, so it just plugs into the one in my car. And now it's ready to go into there. Right, it's time. Putting this motor in. See how many swear words get said. And we are in. See down there. Just gotta put engine mounts in and the bolts for the bell house in, and the motor's in. So motor's sitting in. Just struggled with the passenger side engine mounts, one of those unbreakable ones, but they are a pain to fit. It's in now. Right, so we filled it with coolant. We haven't got the intake manifold on yet, still got to weld that up. The car's ready for a start, so we're pretty much going to start it and hopefully it runs.
What does that mean?
Really crap injectors. Right, try that. There we go. Right, diesel's leaking. Hopefully, next time should start.
Is it supposed to be smoky?